Hi folks, and welcome to another 5-minute video here on Meaningful Money, and today I've got an exciting announcement for you. This is a very special 5-minute video. I've no idea whether it's going to be released on a Friday or not, which is why I'm being a bit cagey, but this is something I've been dying to announce for what feels like a long time. So let's put 5 minutes on the clock. Say a quick thank you to my friends at 7 Investment Management, more on those guys later, for continuing to sponsor the show. And let's crack on. First, some context. I set out with the Meaningful Money project to provide useful information about personal finance to everyone who needed it. Longtime followers of the show will know that I started out with video, shooting nearly 300 of them on the beaches and cliffs and fields of West Cornwall, before switching to podcasting in 2012. Things have come a long way since then, but right from the early days, viewers and listeners have been asking me, what's next? In other words, how do I take action? Now, plenty of you over the years have become clients of my planning practice here at Jackson's Wealth Management. But then I have a scale issue. I simply can't help everyone because there are only so many hours in the day. I've always wanted to be able to point people to an investment service so that they can self-invest using the kinds of passive, multi-asset investments that I'm always banging on about here on the show. Every one of you listening will have heard me, usually in the first minute or so of each show, thanking my sponsors, 7 Investment Management, as they've helped me with equipment and various things over the years. They've supported me since the spring of 2011, and I couldn't have built Meaningful Money to what it is today without their help. And I've recently become something called an introducer appointed representative for 7IM. So today I'm excited that 7IM and I have been working for some time to bring a self-invest service co-branded with Meaningful Money so that now I can point people to that service as a great option for their investing. Investors can choose how to split their money across different risk profiles, and the screens where you do this are super easy to use and unlike anything else I've seen in the market. Basically, you decide how much to invest, what the split of risk will be, and the money will be invested in 7IM's risk-managed funds in the right proportions. There are helpful videos along the way explaining how the accounts work and the different risk options too. 7IM's AAP range of passive multi-asset funds have a 10-year track record, and the service will show you the actual historical returns of your chosen investment mix and your potential future returns too. Of course, we know past performance is no guide to future performance, but it helps to have an idea of what returns might look like to help with your planning. The 7IM portfolios spread investors' money around the world into all kinds of different assets, and the investment team takes a view on the world and tilts the portfolio, aiming to add value by doing so, but the underlying assets are all passives, keeping the costs down. The service offers a 7IM stocks and shares ISA and an investment account. You can invest a lump sum or monthly, and you can increase or decrease the amount you save monthly really easily. You need to make sure that any products and services are right for you, and that you understand the risks that the value of your investments may go up and down, and you may get back less than you originally invested. You can view your investments anytime on the website. If you want to invest in a risk-managed solution where the day-to-day investment decisions are done for you, this is a great place to start. It's important to know that the self-invest service doesn't provide any advice or personal recommendation to you, and neither do I in this case. In order for me to advise you personally, you'd still need to come via Jackson's Wealth. Just head to the Work with Pete page in the menu at the top of the site. There's a link under the video to a special page on the Meaningful Money site which will give you more information about this exciting new element of what we're building here. I tell you what, I'm excited to have this out in the wild after we've been working on it for quite a while, so do check it out and let me know what you think. That's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.